I am back with another monthly Transfer Tuesday, which means I'm going to take you guys with me as I transfer $500 from my Varo online checking account to my Capital One 360 home savings goal. So, if you guys have a savings goal that you are working on achieving, then this video is going to provide you with the motivation that you need. So stick around and watch me get one step closer to my goal. Hello everyone, I'm Kimberly. If you are a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I hope that you find this content helpful, and I would love for you to drop a key emoji in the comments to let me know that you are new to the channel. On this channel, we talk about ways to unlock your financial freedom by incorporating planning, productivity, and personal finance into your daily routine to level up your life so that you can live a life that you deserve. Okay, so we are going to jump right into the video. And first, I want to remind you guys about what I told you last month in case this is your first time watching. So I received this email last month that my rent is going to increase from $9.95 to $12.50 starting February 1st, 2023. Now, keep in mind, it already increased last year from $8.95 to $9.95. So it's constantly increasing. So this kind of lit a fire under me to go ahead and start getting serious about looking for a home. And so I kind of did something this month, you guys. I'm gonna create a video to tell you guys my process, but I did put an application in. I did go ahead and complete a contract on a home, and I did put down my earnest money. So I told you guys last month that I'm claiming a home in 2023. So it is coming. It's around the corner. So I do have a closing date for January 2023. And as long as everything goes through, I will definitely do a video to update you guys on that process. But I just wanted to remind you about the rent increase. Now, honestly, I do think the rent is going to continue to go up each year, which is why I'm just like, let me just go ahead and buy a home. Now, yes, I do realize that my home mortgage is going to be more than $12.50, and I'm okay with that, but as long as I'm buying and not renting. So we're going to go ahead and log into Capital One 360 so that we can make our transfer. Now, this may be my last transfer. I may continue to transfer, but just for a different goal. But I will let you guys know and keep you posted. Now, if you've been watching me, you know that my home savings goal was up to over $11,000 last month. But as I mentioned before, I did have to put down some earnest money. So you see this balance has decreased just a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and select view account, and we are going to make our transfer for the month of December. Is it the month of December? No, it's actually, this is for January, you all. This is for the month of January. Now, you can see down here where I paid my earnest money. I'm going to have to blur out the address here, but you can see that transaction right here, $2,500. There was a wire transfer fee of $30, and you can also see that my interest for the last month was $27.04. So that's quite a bit of interest. All right, I'm going to scroll up and select transfer money. And we're going to transfer money from my main account, which is my Varo Bank account, which I love. It is an online bank. If you guys want a link, check out the description below. It is a referral link. And I'm going to transfer this to my home savings goal. This is a one-time transfer in the amount of $500. And I'm going to select transfer. Now, keep in mind, any money that I don't use in the process of purchasing my home, it will go towards probably furniture or just things that I need for the home. So this process or this transfer was successful. Yay! I'll keep you guys updated next month to let you know if I'm going to continue to save for things for the home or if I'm going to save for something else. I will definitely let you guys know. So I am definitely excited, but kind of nervous all at the same time because I am a first-time homeowner, or will be. So it's all kind of a little scary, but that's all right. I'm still claiming my new home in 2023. You guys drop a key emoji below and comment to let me know what you are saving for and how things are going for you. All right, so if you are loving this content, y'all, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time a new video comes out. I will see you guys next time in 2023.